This is a Yost #4 typewriter from about 1895. This is one of the more unusual machines put on the market due to the fact of its keyboard layout and the way that the keys hit the paper. If you notice, there is no ribbon on this machine. It uses a ink pad, and the type bars come up and hit this central point here. Square hole, which the type slugs go into. As you can see, come down and do sort of a backflip into the type guide. This is probably the most unique feature of the machine. The rest of it is pretty standard for a pre-1900s typewriter. Let's go over with the features. Right here is your margin for the left-hand side of the page. You just slide it along these ratchet bars here, which will basically just engage it with the stop, which is presented right there. On the side of the machine, have your line space lever and your line space adjuster with positions for 1, 2, and 3 space line spacing. Over here, we have the carriage adjustment. This controls the strength of the mainspring and the right-hand margin. Over here, we have the carriage release and the platen knob. Carriage release lets you move the carriage back and forth, and the platen knob lets you turn the platen. We have a double keyboard, so that means separate keys for each individual character. So we have usually your lowercase, capitals, figures. Usually how it goes with these, and this one's no exception. On the back of the machine, we have the escapement back here, which is activates like that to move the carriage back and forth. And this machine, the original Yost one came out in 1888 and had some medallions on the back and was a little bit smaller than this one. This is a #4. This one happens to date from around 1895, as I've been told. And now we're going to give it a quick go with a quick typing sample. I'm going to move this back over here to get our full. Alright. And just go like that. And there we go. Alright. And now I'm going to put the camera right down here. Position the camera so we can see. Like that. And there we go. The Yost #4 typewriter. Oh. Anyway, this is a machine. I quite like this one. It's not the rarest of rare machines, but it's definitely uncommon. It's not as these are easier to find than, say, like a Densmore 1. This is probably the most common Yost model. Other common Yost would probably be the front strikes, the 15, the 20, maybe the 10. And then they have a couple different #1s. There's the real #1, the Yost, the new Yost #1, and there's the new Yost, and there's the Yost 4. So it gets kind of confusing from there. Alright, anyway, that's my short little video here on the Yost typewriter #4 from about 1895. Thank you for watching.